So the installation of this DVR is easy. So let's start by removing these glove box compartments, like what I did here on the video. As you can see, there's a hole there. Then removing the rubber seal strips, this plastic cover, so you can see where I lay my own cable. So everything should be clean and hidden. This is the power supply for the DVR or the battery charger. So I hid it under the roof cover to the DVR, as you can see here. So this one is the back camera, the rear view camera. So we have to lay the cable starting from here, the other direction. Same process, removing the seal covers and plastics. You can see there's a space between the roof cover and the body, the frame. So a lot of space there for you to hide your cable from the front seat to the back seat. There's a space. You can see when you remove the rubber seal, you can see there's a space. Then there's a hole through. You can pass through the cable through there, the hole from the back seat to the trunk. So let's head to the trunk. So this is the trunk. Before you can draw the cable out here, you have to remove this black cover, and to do that you have to remove the locks, these black locks. There are like 4 of them each side on this vehicle. So I have to use screwdriver to gradually pull this up until it came to the point I can easily draw it out with my hands. So this is how it looks. Keep it where you can see them, because you can use it later. So let's draw this out and see the cable. So this is the cable. We have to draw the rest of the cable back here, inside here in the trunk. The remaining cable should be all out here. Now we are going to proceed by making a hole on this part, but we have to remove all this lock to easily have access behind where we are going to pass the cable for the rear view camera. I'm using nail and hammer to make a hole where the cable is going to pass. You can use a drilling machine, is your choice. So when we are done making the holes, we're gonna pass the cable through there, the camera cable through there. This is the hole I made. This is how I mounted mine. This part is plastic, so easy to screw. There is a plastic. So when we are done, we are going to connect the camera here. As you can see, everything is connected. Now on the red wire, the red cable or whatever is for the reverse view. This is how I placed and laid my cable nice and clean. So since my red wire is short for this type of vehicle, I decided to add a longer cable. You can add a longer cable to this to avoid any problem when you're closing and opening the trunk. So this is the reverse light where we are going to connect the red wire. So the red cable there is for the reverse light. I have to peel mine with the electrical knife to expose the live cable where I'm going to connect the red wire. As you can see right now, we have connected the red wire. You can use a solder to make it stronger. When you're done connecting, making sure every contact is strong, use electrical tape to cover everything. Then you can adjust the cables and cover all the parts the same way you open it, and that's it. This is the final view of everything. The camera is working. You can see the rear view and front view at the same time. You can turn it off and on. Everything is working. Now let's check the reverse view when you're going on reverse. So the camera switched to reverse right now. And that's it, guys. Easy steps. Bye for now.